kind of disappointed. And then I will do a little... The reviews lied. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Tori, and I am back with a whole new video. This video is going to be part 2 of my black owned business haul and links that I mentioned a couple videos ago. So if you want to watch that first, it's going to be right up here. I basically go through a bunch of websites and buy a couple things, and I basically talk about all of these amazing beauty and wellness businesses that you should support. So first thing I'm going to be doing is all of these wonderful makeup products I got. I already have on foundation concealer, so let's just jump on into the video. Since I already have on foundation concealer, usually the next thing I do is eyeshadow. For my eyeshadow, I got this liquid eyeshadow from the Lip Bar. I was kind of disappointed in how long it took them to ship, because it took them like a week to ship the order, but once they shipped it, it was here like overnight. So I wasn't as disappointed once I actually got it, but it was a little weird to me. But it came with this cute little card, and it has a new color on it that I really want to try. And then it talks about a new product that's back in stock. It also came with a receipt. These are the other items I got that I will be testing when it comes time. And then it also came with its own personal little wrapping paper, which I found so cute. I think this was a great little touch. I love their logo so much, so I'm happy about that. But yeah, let's just jump on into this eyeshadow. I've never used a liquid eyeshadow, so this is going to be interesting. I love the color. I think I'm going to do a more simple look today, so I am not going to be using any other eyeshadow. I might use some bronzer or something to darken up the corners, but yeah, how does this open? I have primer in my hands, so hopefully, am I dumb? There we go. Okay, so it was on pretty tight. Everything was packed pretty well also. It wasn't super protected compared to the other items that I got. But everything came, none of it was melted, which is good considering it is summer. So yeah. Usually when people wear this, they dab it on with their fingers, so I'm going to be doing that. I love this color. Okay, I am already a big fan of this. Evie's in the background living her best life, so that's what you hear. Now she's in the, yeah. This is definitely very buildable. It starts off pretty shimmery, but also very transparent, and I just messed it up really bad. Very shimmery, not super crazy. I'm going to do the other eye, and then I'll do a little swatch for you guys. So I had some leftover on my finger from dabbing my eyes, so I put that on my hand, and there it is. I really like this. I'm really excited about this. It's very simple, but it's definitely buildable, so you can add a ton more eyeshadow if you want. So this is a good time. I'm really excited. So next I'm going to be doing mascara. I got the Lash Flash Strengthening Mascara from the Lip Bar. Supposedly it helps your lashes to grow, and I'm all about that because my lashes are pretty short. I think it also has green tea extract. Yeah, it does. And y'all know I'm a sucker for anything that says green tea. Okay, I love this packaging. It has TLB on it. I don't know if you can see it. It's upside down. And then it has the Lip Bar, that official logo, and then what it is. And that's super cute. Let's see the brush. I like how this is like chrome. Brush is pretty simple. Your typical mascara brush. Let's see how it goes on. Okay, so it's nothing crazy. It's definitely one that you're going to have to do multiple layers on, but this is also the first time I've used it, and you know how the first time you use mascara, it works super well, so it's just something I'm going to have to keep working with. I needed new mascara, so I'll definitely keep trying this, and you guys will see more of it in my videos. It's clumping up a little bit. But overall, I actually like that. There's a difference between no mascara and mascara. Our neighbors have like hunting dogs, so that's what we hear. They're going on their afternoon walk. So now I'm going to do my other eye. So I don't like how the mascara kind of clumps my lashes together, but it definitely makes them look a lot longer. Got a little bit on my eye, so we should probably clean that up. Okay. Next, it is time to move on to our face. So for my face, I got the Beauty Bakery Neapolitan Bar. It is pretty dark. Also, all of the lip bar and the Beauty Bakery products are cruelty-free and vegan, which is very important. But as I said with the Neapolitan Bar, it is a bit dark. It comes with the plastic cover, so that is great. I'm here for that. But I've heard that this is super, super blendable because I did read the reviews because I was worried about that. So let's see how it actually turns out. I'm going to start with my bronzer. You okay, Soph? Can you see her in there? Yeah, you can see her in the background. So I'm obviously going to be using this dark brown. Okay, but it doesn't go on super dark. It does, but it doesn't. Okay, never mind. It does. And this was the lightest color, but I like how on their website they have reviews and you put what skin color you are and how it affected you. I look kind of aggressive, look like I'm gonna go on RuPaul's Drag Race and have a good time, but yeah, we need to fix that. I think the problem is it's so powdery that it just, you get so much on your brush immediately. Yeah, look at how dark that is compared to my face. And I'm actually pretty tan right now. I know that the lighting does not reflect that, but I am. This side is definitely 1,000 times better than this side. This side, we need to chat. Okay, but that's fixing it. So it is blendable. I felt like I was going to look snatched, and instead, I don't. So I am just going to cover that with some foundation and try and go at it with not as much bronzer, if I can do that. Don't know if that's gonna work. Well, that's a hack. How to look tanner. Put some bronzer on and cover it with foundation. There we go. So you can still see it a little bit, but definitely not as bad. I'm just going to lightly make a little line. I don't feel like I'm going to use this as contour, but I will definitely use it as eyeshadow. So that's good. That's another thing that I like about these palettes is I knew that I could use it as eyeshadow if it did not work out. And as of right now, it's not working out. But I'm giving it the old college try. We are going to blend this bad boy out. Honestly, I'm so excited about this highlighter and nothing can bring my excitement down about that. So if nothing else, I got that. I literally am so dark. The reviews lied. I knew when I saw the picture this was going to be really dark. Okay, now this side definitely looks better than this side. But okay, we're going to do our nose and then we're just going to call it a quits with the bronzer. So the cheeks are very, very dark, but other than that, I actually kind of like this. Not for my face, obviously, but it's a really, really roasted almond color that will look really pretty in your crease or if you're building color for eyeshadow. So now that that is on, it is time to try the blush. The blush is also pretty dark. It's more of a cranberry, which I like these kind of colors for the fall, and so I feel like I could definitely use this later in the year. But for summer, let's just see. Yeah, it goes right on. There is nothing coming between this blush and my face. And you guys know I like to go pretty heavy with the blush. So there is the blush. I actually really like the blush. I feel super tan. This is definitely too dark for my face, so we are just going to put that out there right now. Very dark, but I do like how it has gone on. Next, we are going to be doing our highlighter. Again, I'm going to be using this highlighter. I'm so excited because y'all know I love a sparkly highlighter. Let's see if I can get it onto this brush. It's not going on as quickly as the other two did, but that is okay. I don't think that the camera recorded it, but I just put it on my face. It is full psycho mode. I put a little bit on my brush and that's what it looks like. So go team. I'm gonna do my nose. And I'm gonna do a swatch of the three of these colors now that I have them on. Okay, so there's the three swatches. You can see how dark that bronzer actually is. And then the blush, you can see how it doesn't go on as crazy, and the highlighter is super, super, super gold. So I'm going to do my eyebrows real fast, and then we're going to move on to all of the different lip goodies that I got. So now we are going to move on to all of the lip products. I cannot get over how dark this is on my face. Please don't hate me. I'm just going to try and... No. 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 Okay. Okay, so for all these lip products, let's start with the lip scrub I got. So this lip scrub, it melted on the way here, so that was disappointing. But I mean, it's hot out. But since it is melted, it's really hard to get it open. The packaging was not the best, but it did come with a little card with the owner on it with her business information. So that's cool. I'm here for that. We love some promo. Okay, so the lip scrub is still a little melted from this morning, but it's not too bad, so I'm going to put it on. I've never worn lip scrub before, so we'll see. This smell is amazing. What's it smell like? Okay, what's it called? It's called Havana Honey. I don't think it smells like honey. I feel like it almost smells like maple, maybe? I don't know. I really like it. I've never done a lip scrub, so I'm going to keep trying it and see if anything changes. My lips do need some good moisturizing, so I'm here for that. But yeah, that is pretty much all I have to say about that company. Next is Beauty Bakery. I have yet to show you their packaging. I'm here for it. So it's so cute. It came in this box that has Beauty Bakery on both sides. So it says Beauty Bakery once you open it. And then the inside is so cute. So it says, so much cake, so little time. And then it has pink packaging, and then it has the little confetti, and the palette did come in bubble wrap, so this was super, super protected. I'm here for that. I love packaging. I think it's such a nice touch when you have a product to add some sort of sparkle. And then here is a little card that came with it that has the mini moments, which is the new Neapolitan and Brownie bar, which I got the Neapolitan bar. Like I said, it was the lightest colors they had. It's still a little dark, but I can use it as eyeshadow. And then on the back, it has the bestsellers menu. So like I said, everything is based off of a bakery. So they have flour setting power, grace setting spray. So like it's supposed to be like baking spray. Insatiable foundation, which says Instabake on it. And then Instabake concealer. So that is their best-selling items. If you purchase from them, you will probably get a card like this as well. 10 out of 10 so far for this company. I know that they're a little bit bigger, and the other companies I chose from are a little bit smaller. So they do have like a higher standard to live up to in a way. Like they've had a little bit more time to get their life together, and I'm just living for them. So the first thing we're going to look at is Bastani Ice, which is Beauty Bakery. It comes in this little package called Cake Pop Mini Soft Matte Lipstick. So I'm trying to get it out. It's so small. So in this huge box, it's this big. So that was kind of disappointing. I didn't know it was mini when I got it. I guess I wasn't paying attention. But it is really, really tiny. But it's very compact and cute. It's got cake pops and gold dots all over it. And then the gold on the inside. And this is the color, so I'm going to swatch that. Ooh, so that is what it looks like. Very, very exciting. So I'm going to put some on. Oh yes. Okay, so it is still a little bit darker than what I thought it would be, and it's still not the exact nude that I want because it was a little bit darker. But it might have been like the pictures, or I might have just been geeking and picked the wrong color. I don't know. So now we are going to try a different lipstick shade. So we are moving on over to the Lip Bar. So I got two different shades from them. I got a nude lipstick, and then I got their color of the month, which is a vegan liquid matte. Like I said, everything is vegan and cruelty free. We're going to do this nude color first. It is Ginger and Tonic. So hopefully it's a little bit lighter than the one I got from Beauty Bakery. Am I dumb? Okay. Yeah, I'm dumb. Could not get this open. So this is the packaging. I'm here for this. This is so cute. And then once you open it, it has a lip, like a lip stain on one side, and then the lip bar in the other. Their packaging is 10 out of 10. It is my aesthetic. Okay, so this is definitely a darker nude, but we are going to try it on. I feel like it's probably going to go on more like a brown, but we'll see. Oh, wait. Okay, so I do love this. It is a little bit more brown than a nude I would wear typically is, but it's definitely more subtle than the other nudes that I've had, and I like it a lot. Like, I can't really stop looking at myself in the mirror. It's so cute. I'm gonna swatch it compared to the other ones so that you guys can kind of see. Yeah, it's a totally different color. It's funny how nudes can come out so different. So this was the Bastani Ice, and then this is the Ginger and Tonic by the Lip Bar. Definitely gonna have to say I'm more of the Lip Bar shade when it comes to my aesthetic, but I do like them both, and you can probably catch me wearing them both this summer. So okay, so next we are going to try the last makeup product I got from them, and then we are going to move on to the wellness side. So I got this liquid matte lip gloss. The shade is Hot Mess. Okay, this should just be a compilation of me failing at opening things. So it is a little bit smaller. This is the size of it. And yes, the shade is Hot Mess. And the packaging, again, is super cute. So this is the difference in the packaging between the two. I almost feel like this has more product in it than this does, but who knows? Maybe I'm crazy. I wish that this was a little bit bigger, but it's okay. So, yes, okay, we're here for this. Oh, yes. That is stunning. That is like, I am so excited. Okay, so we are going to put this on. I am so, oh my gosh, I love this shade already. One thing I'm really weird about is smells. It does not smell bad, but the formula is kind of weird. Okay, so we are going to put one more layer on because it's a little bit transparent. You know who this reminds me of? It reminds me so much of Cheryl Blossom from Riverdale. This is definitely her shade, but I'm here for it. I love this. I'm definitely going to be wearing it. I think this might be my new favorite shade of red. I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I wear a ton of red lipstick. I don't necessarily post pictures in it, but I do. It is one of my favorite colors to wear. So that is all of our makeup products. So now we are going to really quickly do our wellness products. Hi guys, so my camera's card was full and it was just not cooperating, so I decided to finish the video on here. So the last item we're going to be talking about is from my wellness side of things, and I did purchase a candle. So the candle I got is Island Bliss. This is the lid. It has the Canary Ave logo on it. I love this candle. The second I got it, literally the second I opened the box, it flooded the room with its scent. I have yet to light it, and my whole apartment already smells like this candle. So if you're looking for a super bright candle to use and super potent, this is the one for you. The only downside is it did melt on the way here, but that's not necessarily a problem with the company. That's more of an issue with the mailing on the way here because it's hot, it's the summer. But with that, the wick did kind of disappear in the wax because it melted down in it, so I'm going to have to work with that, and I've yet to light it yet, but I'm really happy with the candle thus far. I love the smell of it. I do feel like I'm on an island. It smells like a pina colada mixed with happiness. So if you are interested in having that fill your house, this is definitely a good candle, and the price is pretty good as well. So that is it for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away one item from the Jeffree Star collection. Click the link right up here. Yep. Also, all of the links to these items will be listed down below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to support these awesome companies. Don't forget to share this video so that your friends can see these amazing companies as well, and leave a like and a comment if you wanna. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to be notified every single time I upload, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song. I want more berries and that summer feeling. It's so wonderful and warm.